How to see your GCash transaction history. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can see your GCash transaction history. So first of all, you need to go on the Google Play Store, and on the Google Play Store you can simply search for the GCash. After searching for the GCash, make sure you install and update the latest version of GCash. So GCash is something like this. Now to see the transaction history of GCash, what you need to do is just follow some steps for that. So first of all, you need to tap on the transactions option. To view the download or GCash transactions, tap on the transactions option, and after you go on the transactions, enter your desired date range, like which date transaction you want to see. You can just tap on it. Now review the details and select the submit request option. After you submit the request, you will be able to view the transactions of the day that you have just tapped there. Now a copy of your transaction history will be sent to your GCash registered email. In the email you will find all the transaction history. Note that you cannot delete your GCash transaction history. So that's how you can see it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.